Have you ever been so angry or overwhelmed that you said or did something you later regretted? Maybe you fired off that text, yelled at someone, or made a rash decision that you couldn't take back. We've all been there, right? And that's where the stop skill from DBT or dialectical behavior therapy can save you. It's one of the most powerful tools for staying in control when your emotions want to run the show. STOP is an acronym. Each letter reminds you what to do in that crucial moment before you react. S is for stop. Literally freeze. Don't move. Don't speak. Don't act on impulse. Just pause. T is take a step back. Literally step away physically, or if you can't do it literally, then mentally take a step back and take a deep breath. And this gives your thinking brain, the prefrontal cortex, time to come back online. It gives you perspective, which is so important so that you can take in new information. So if you can literally take a step back, that's going to be more effective than figuratively taking a step back. O is for observe. Notice what's happening inside and around you. What are you feeling? What are the facts? What are others doing or saying? You're gathering information. Then P is proceed mindfully. Move forward with awareness. Ask, what will help me reach my goals or align with my values right now? Or something like, what would be effective in this situation? Then act, not react. You stop anytime you feel emotionally overwhelmed, when your heart races, your thoughts spiral, or your urge to act feels too strong to control. For example, before replying to a hurtful text, when you're about to quit your job or a relationship in a rage, when you feel the urge to self harm, to binge or lash out, or even when anxiety pushes you to run from something uncomfortable. The moment you feel that internal, I can't handle this, that's your cue to stop. Now, let's be real. Using stop in the heat of the moment isn't easy. So, here are some challenges that you might face and how to handle them. So, challenge number one, I forgot. That's normal. You're retraining your brain. Try writing stop on a sticky note, on your phone lock screen, or even in your hand, on your hand. So, rehearse it when you feel calm. It's like an emotional fire drill. Challenge number two is I don't want to stop. I want to act. When emotions are high, urges feel justified. Remind yourself pausing doesn't mean I'm weak, it means I'm in charge. The goal isn't to suppress your emotions or actions, it's to choose the right response. And number three challenge is it doesn't work right away. It's practice, not a magic spell. Even one breath between impulse and action gives you power. The more you use it, the faster your body learns to pause before reacting. So next time you feel that flood of emotion, remember stop, take a step back, observe, proceed mindfully. It's simple, but not easy. And that's okay. Every time you practice, you're strengthening your ability to stay calm, make wise choices, and protect what matters most, which is your peace. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who reacts before they think. We all know one. You can also like and subscribe so you get more skills when a new one posts to the channel. Remember, it's easier to make small incremental changes that add up to big, lasting change than to make one big change that fizzles into nothing. So keep coming back. Practice a little each day, and things will change. Ciao.